Hello friends. Welcome back again. Today we learn how to create this VFX effect in After Effects. Let's move on to the tutorial. To create this effect, I'm using this footage. You can download it from below. Now we come to the frame, where the whole flower is visible, and duplicate the footage. Then right-click and select Freeze Frame. Now we use the easy way to mask it. First add Find Edge Effect. Check the Invert option. Then we add Hue Saturation Effect. Change saturation value to -100, and add Levels Effects. Here we change input black and white value. As you can see, flower is outlined. Now we just need to remove the black area. For this we use Unmult plugin. This is a free plugin. You can download it from below. We will create a pre-compose. Make sure the Move All Attributes is selected. We will select the pen tool and create a mask, so that we remove the unwanted outlines. After making the mask, it looks like this. Now we select the outline composition, and add the auto trace. For this footage I'm using this setting. If your footage is different, you need to change the tolerance and threshold values. Make sure the Apply to New Layer option is checked. We hide the both layers. Then add the tracker to the original footage. Click on Track Motion. And adjust the track points. After placing the point, we track the footage. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And follow me on Twitter. Once the tracking is complete, we create a new null object. Now click on Edit Target. And select the null object. Then click on Apply. After that we drag down the null object. And link the auto trace to null object. Now we will add the Saber plugin to Auto Trace Layer. This is a free plugin. You can download it from below. We will go to Render Settings, then Composite. Change black to transparent. Then go to Customize Core. Change type to Layer Masks. In Preset, I am using Burning Effect. But there is a lot more you can experiment with. If mask points are interrupting you, then hide it from here. Now let's change the setting. Core size to 0.3. Intensity to 30%. In Core Distortion, change distortion amount to 4. Wind speed to 2. And last noise speed to 0.2. Friends, if you want you can experiment with values and get different results. Now we will create a reveal animation. First add a new solid layer. Then change the Trace Layers Track Matte to Alpha Matte. We will select the circle shape, and draw a mask on it. Then customize the shape, by using the pen tool. Now we will add the position keyframe and move it forward. Make sure you're at first frame. Then change its position to the downward. We select the both keys. And change it to Easy Ease. Then go to Graph Editor, and change the curve, something like that. Let's come back. Now we will change the mask feather value to 80. Then we preview it. Friends, the animation work is done. Now we use Fire Particle. After Insert Particle Video you can change its position, size and rotation. After modifications, change its blend mode to add. Then link all video to the null object. Now we will create a new adjustment layer. And add Looks plugin. Click on Edit. And choose whatever look you want. If you don't have Looks plugin, Then you can use Lumetri color. Here you find many look that you may like. We will create a new solid layer. Then select the circle shape and draw a mask on it. We will invert it and change its feather value to 500. Then opacity to 20. Now let's preview it. Our today topic is complete. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and give us your valuable feedback. It is very important to us. We will meet on next tutorial, and be happy.